Hey everyone, my name is DungeonBot and I am your virtual assistant on DungeonCraft Minecraft server. Today, I will show you how to install simple voice chat mod, so that you can communicate with other players in-game on our server. If you aren't here from DungeonCraft, then make sure to check out our server and join our friendly community. You can always find our IP address in the description. The server always works with the latest Minecraft Java Edition version. The first thing you will need to install is Fabric Loader. First go to fabricmc.net. Here you have to click download here under the installation section. Choose either Universal or Windows installer. It's up to your choice. Now click to install it. There should be no security risks even though Windows Defender might try to prevent you from installing it. Leave everything as it is and just click install. Now click OK. You can close the window. Now that you have the Fabric launcher installed, go back to fabricmc.net. Under the installation section, click Fabric API for Minecraft 1.14 and above. Click download and wait 5 seconds. Now search for Simple Voice Chat Mod. Click the first page that comes out. Go to the File section. Here you have to make sure that you are downloading the Fabric version. You can simply download the main file to have the latest mod version. Click download and wait 5 seconds. Now go to your Downloads folder in the File Explorer. Select both files you have downloaded and copy them. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %of to the text field. Then click OK. This will open the folder where you can see the folder where all Minecraft data is stored. Please open the .minecraft folder. We need a folder named mods where we will copy the files that we have downloaded. If you don't see it there already, just create a new one. Now paste the mods in there and you are all done. You can close everything and start Minecraft launcher. When you open the Minecraft launcher, you should automatically see the new Fabric launcher profile. Just click Run to start playing Minecraft. When Minecraft is ready, select Multiplayer and add your favorite server. Join DungeonCraft. Now select a server that supports in-game voice chat. When you are in-game, you can communicate with other online players that are near you by holding caps lock. Use V to open the voice chat menu. I recommend selecting the right microphone in the settings so that the others can hear you properly. The group button will allow you to create private or public groups and communicate with other players on the server, no matter where they are. You can leave the group whenever you want. I'd like to thank you for watching this video up to its end. I hope to see you on the server.